Hey, what's up guys? It's Carl over at ClearFlow Home Maintenance. Hope everybody's well. Today we got our postcards. But before we open that up, I'm gonna go take a ride. Buckle up first and go grab a cup of coffee first. And let me turn off this. And then we'll open it up and see what they look like. We did proof it, so we already know what they look like, but you don't know what they look like. And we'll open it up together and we'll take it from there. Again, I'm gonna go grab a quick cup of coffee. I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, welcome back. Had to get my coffee and a jelly donut. Really needed it, but we're going to take a look at this box. Let me just put this down. And it came from Team Wash Life, guys. I'll put the link below. Not affiliated with those guys, but like I said before, we already proofed it. We thought they looked pretty good. They actually tape it on the outside so you can see there's one on this side and one on this side. But let's open it up and see. Grab my keys because I don't have a blade on me. Open this up real quick here. Go. All right, let's see what we got. More garbage, and here they go. Okay, so this is what we got, guys. These are our door knockers. Oh, I gotta punch these holes out, I guess. That's the front. That's the back. All right. They're pretty good. Just basically says gutter cleaning and so much more. Our phone number, our company name, and they came out pretty good. We got 1,000. We ordered 1,000 of them. Cost was in the mid 200 range, just under $300 for 1,000. So we thought it was worth it. You know, boots to the ground marketing, guys. You got to hit the doors, and that's what we're planning on doing, is hitting the doors. So I think they came out good. Let me know in the comments below if you like them. Again, we did order 1,000. I'll put the link. The company is Team Wash Life, and the guy that made them was Devon. So shout out to Devon. I think they came out awesome. He was the guy that I was communicating with back and forth via email, but they came out great. So I'll put the links below in the description. Oh, and also we got we did get our business cards in from Canva. And guys, I'm not affiliated with anybody here. I'm showing you, just letting you know who we're using. Okay, so we got these business cards from Canva, and that's what they look like. Okay, that's what they look like. I'll put Canva's link below as well. I'm not affiliated with those guys. We think they came out pretty good. The branding came out good. It's got our logo, our information on there, everything that they need. All right, to contact us. Okay, so those came from Canva. We're still waiting on a bunch of stuff. We haven't received our shirts yet, our pants yet, because we're going full-blown uniform. We haven't received our magnet signs for the truck. And if you guys saw the last video on the truck that we purchased, which is the one that I'm sitting in now, I actually love it. It's a great vehicle. We put the link for that dealership in North Carolina. Those guys were great. They had a fleet of trucks. I wish I could have bought them all. There were like 7 of them. But again, we're still waiting on some things. But if you guys are ready to start your own business, especially home improvement, there's no better time than now. Get after it. I think 2025 is going to be a great year for anyone who starts a business. And guys, just so that you know, FYI, I'm 62 years old and I'm willing to hit the doors. Okay, no excuses. Okay, no excuses. All right, if I can do it, you can do it. You should be able to run circles around me. Okay, The whole goal is we're probably going to do about 100 doors a day, and that's the plan. I'm not going to do any more than that. You know, back in the day, I would do 200 to 300 doors. That's not happening today, guys, for me. But 100 doors minimum for me. I'll be able to manage that. And boots to the ground, get the word out, and that's it. So, guys, you know, I wish you all the best. If you're looking to start a business, there's no better time than now. If you need me for any reason at all, any advice at all, feel free to message me. All my information is also in the description box below, and we wish you all the best. And as soon as everything else gets here, we'll unbox those as well. So everyone take care. Peace out. We'll talk to you all soon.